Garden of the Gods is a national landmark located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. It features over 15 miles of trails for hiking, biking, climbing, and horseback riding. It has over 1,300 acres of red sandstone spires and views of Pikes Peak. It also has a very diverse selection of flora and fauna. The land was donated in 1909 by the Charles Perkins family under the condition that it always remain free to the public. The park itself is open all season long and is a great spot for photographers to catch great views of the surrounding city and also Pikes Peak. Located at the roundabout just before the entrance to the park is the Visitor and Nature Center. It is great for everybody, including families. They have numerous exhibits there that include nature, wildlife, and also dinosaur exhibit. They have a fossilized dinosaur there that is located in the park. Also located in the visitor center is a gift shop and also the Gateway Cafe, which provides great food. In August of 1859, there was 2 surveyors in the area. They were there to begin surveying for a city. That city was eventually called Colorado City, but now Old Colorado City. While they were there, they stumbled upon the sandstone spires, and one of them suggested that it would be a grand place for a beer garden. The other, on the other hand, suggested it would be a garden fit for the gods. And so it got its name, Garden of the Gods. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed all these clips, and I would love if you would like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more of these. Thank you very much, and have a good evening.